very good evening to you. Welcome to the Hot and Spicy. How are you doing? Alright? Good, I hope. Right, first things first. That's the drink. Kingfisher Premium Lager Beer. 4.8%. Ice cold. Sweden. Oh. The brand. Right. LSU. And we're having Cajun Chicken. With Cajun Chicken. And hang on, let's get this in here first. That's lovely, isn't it? Eh? It's cold, that. Right. Yeah, Cajun chicken. So it's the recipe states to use chicken breast, but I've used chicken thighs. Again, stripped them, fried them, in with an onion, on 10 bird's eye chillies.
10?
10. And chop them up and put them in the same time. Then I've added rice, long grain rice, uncooked. Put that in, mix it all up. It goes very dry then. Then you add, it's seasoning packet I've bought, Swatch, however you say. Medium heat Cajun chicken. It looked nice. I thought, I'll try that. So you put that in. Then green pepper, chop that up, put that in. Water and a tin of chopped tomatoes. Then it looks something like this. And you think to yourself, God, I've overdone it here, there's too much liquid in it. But what happens is, as the rice cooks, it soaks up, and it ends up looking like this. Which is the finished thing then. And then all you've got to do is dish it up and put some spring onion, or scallions as you call it in America. And we got garlic bread. Sun-blushed, all butter, beautiful, go well with it. So let's have a cheers, all the best, good health, and many thanks for your company. Come on, you bloody thing. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is nice. There's a nice carbonation to that. I can't drink too much of it quick, it's cold. I'm not sure if you can hear a humming sound in the background. Hopefully you can, but if you can, it's the dishwasher. Somebody decided to put it on right at this very moment. Anyway, let's give it a go. 10 bird's eye chili. Oh yeah, forgot to 10 bird's eye chilies, and I did put a heaped teaspoon of the. I've just got a bit. Well, I've finished it now with a heaped teaspoon Naga powder, Naga chili powder. So it should have a kick to it. There's the chilies. Feeling something. The chicken. Oh, it's lovely. Done nice. Done that on a fairly high heat, because I've got a pan which is a combination between a frying pan and a wok. Gotta get some use and make all my well, I used to make my curries in that, but I make it in a proper pan now, the curries. Yeah. So there's the kick building now. That's a lovely heat. The flavour is lovely. Cajun chicken. Yeah, the powder spice mix, really nice taste. Come on then. A couple of weeks since I've had it. Fluffy. I was going to do some wraps, pins and wraps. A bit more hot relish with it. With a cucumber, but oh, I thought, hang on, I'm missing this. Cajun, so I'm getting the Cajun taste, that spice mix. The garlic's from the bread. The rice is done beautifully. You bring it all to the boil when it's all in done, and then simmer it for about 20 minutes, stirring it, and you see gradually the liquid just disappears and becomes this texture. Lovely. Yeah, here we go. Excuse me. Don't know if that's the bird's eyes or the Naga. Yeah, I'm getting the Naga flavour now. So that's a coating on the chillies. I'm not getting such a flavour from the bird's eye chillies, but I'm getting the heat. The whole packet went in, and that was the hottest chillies I could buy. Sainsbury's seem to be the best for getting the hotter ones, which are Scotch bonnet. And if I could have got them, I'm an Italiano, eh? If I make myself fluffy, it's great. I don't have to go and see nobody. Just talk to myself. Like I'm doing now. I know I'm talking to you, but as I'm filming, I'm just talking to a piece of glass. People think they can lock him up and what was I saying? Was it dementia? Oh man. Whew. That was a yeah, there's no flavour from the chillies bird's eye. I can't tell, but the heat is there. Oh, that's what I was going to say. The Scotch bonnet, when you buy them, if they're quite big, you get 2 in a packet. If they're average, you get 3. I find the smaller ones are hotter. Melt in the mouth chicken. I tell you what, this is nice. Don't know if you ever tried it. Kingfisher, really refreshing. Quite sparkling, if you know what I mean. Very sort of carbonated. Looks like this will go. And next one will be this one, Lansdowne. West Coast IPA. Bath Ales. Bath, 5%. From Bath, isn't it? Bath Ales. Hare Brewery. Can't even see that. What? Whamley, isn't it? Oh, there's the hare, yeah. I see a couple of hares, you know, if you don't know what a hare is, it's a, well, the easiest way of saying it is the larger cousin of the rabbit. Bloody big back legs on it. I see a few of them on my round where I deliver, and the tops. You don't see them everywhere. Buzzards, thousands of them. Red kites, lots of them. They were rare ones. There's a few with pheasants. So what's the plan this weekend? Anything? Anything good? Chilling out? Blowing the froth of a couple? Who said that? Oh yeah! Just blowing the froth of a couple? Yeah, I know, nothing like it. Good old Mick. Look at that. That's so pretty good for you. That's lovely that. Yeah, so what's on the menu? Are you having anything? This is nice. Tell you what this would be nice with. I know it's supposed to do with chicken, Cajun chicken, but Cajun lamb. Burning. Now I thought when it started my nose running, so either Naga or bird's eye, but nothing again. Burning in the mouth is constant, building slightly as we go, sort of every minute or so. It's sort of as I eat. Oh, there's enough. I love doing this. There's another little tub I've put in the fridge of this, so I'll have that maybe tomorrow night or Monday for dinner, when I finish work. Yeah, that'll be nice. It'll taste even better then, won't it? I noticed there's a lot of people putting, YouTube has started doing shorts. I don't mean to wear short videos up to a minute or, you know, whatever, minute or below, I think. A bit like TikTok, as where they're trying it. And there's a few people I'm subscribed to doing them, but the trouble is it fills you, when you log into your YouTube, when you log into yours to watch rubbish like like this, to watch whatever you want to watch, and you log in, all the people you subscribe to usually come up their latest videos, don't they? But because these people are putting like 3, 4, 5, 10 shorts, that's all you're getting. So you have to scroll down all these. So I've had to turn the notifications off for some channels because it's getting on my bloody nerves. Right. It's a good thing. I've never used it myself, but I think some some of these short videos people put up, depending how you title it or put the hashtags, get a lot of views in a short time, you know. And I think that's what they're trying to do. Hoping that, I suppose they're hoping these people will also sub to them. I don't know. It doesn't always work really, but that's why they're doing it. But they're still a bloody nuisance. But I think it's got its place if, say I was talking to you and I said, look, I'm doing a wild camp in the woods. I'm going to take the 3x3 tarp, set it up. I'm going to sleep in a hammock. I'm going to take like a stove, fire pit thing, light a fire. I'm going to take a grill and we're going to cook a sirloin steak, which I'm having tomorrow, by the way. Sirloin steak and mushrooms and whatever you want. So the wild camping video to come. Then you could put a 30-second or a 60-second clip of that camp, see? Now that I can understand, like a one-off. But I can't understand either. Do you find that people you're sub to that do that, these shorts? These are my opinions, by the way. Yeah, here we go. Excusez-moi. There we go. Lovely. Come on. Wow. So it's flavoursome. The rice is cooked perfect. Clever in it really, when you think all the liquid, you think, oh, there's too many here, too much, and then so as it's cooking is absorbing it, and it's flavoured, everything's flavoured, even the rice is hot. Did I ask you what's on your menu? And this. Yeah. This is God, I missed it. Having withdrawal symptoms. Yeah. Best of health. Now, that's burning. The whole mouth, funny enough, just I can't sort of differentiate the position. Like, oh, it's the tongue, it's the side of this, my lips. It's the whole thing, and it's just this heat. Now they say this packet is medium heat. I doubt I'd feel any heat if I just put the package, the spice mix they make. Flavour is lovely, but I don't think I'd have a kick from it. So the bird's eye chilies, when you chop chilies and you see 10 of them and you chop, it looks a lot when you've chopped them thin, really thin, because if I'm not mulching them in that chopper, put them in thin, and then you think, oh, that's a lot, isn't it? Isn't it? Well, it is a lot maybe, but it's lovely, it's worth it. And it's not over the top heat for me. It's really flavoursome, it's burning, making everything glow, nose run, maybe a bit of dampness on the forehead, But that's what it's about, you see. Sunday, like I was saying before, sirloin steak tomorrow. It's going to be done in a piece of foil, like pocket, garlic butter on it, salt, pepper, and let it cook for a while, low. And then, probably halfway through cooking, I'll add some onions on top. Fold it up, back in. Then we'll have some chips. Yeah, just standard chips. Peas, garden peas, mushrooms, and peppercorn sauce. So the steak won't be sort of rare, medium rare, well done, whatever. It'll be just melt in the mouth, if you know what I mean. Garlic butter, salt and pepper, and then the onions will be on top. When you go with a knife, it'll just pull apart. That's one of the ways I like to do it. But it is nice. I've got I might use actually the griddle. Yeah, I will use actually. Just like a cast iron griddle you put on the gas hob. We've got a 5 gas ring, the middle one's for a wok, and I usually use the middle one. Put it on, heat it up, bit of oil, and I could really finish off the steak the last couple of minutes on that, just to give it them sear lines, bit of presentation, but it'll melt in the mouth. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Well, I can honestly say, many years ago, before YouTube anyway, I couldn't have put 2 bird's eye chilies in food, never mind 10. Wow. Amazing. Just catches your throat on it. It's lovely. What's it about? And on that note, I will leave you to it. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on the other, see you in the morning. If not, see you in the next one. Yeah, I have got a couple of things. Yeah, I'll just leave it there. I might be back sooner rather than later. Okay. Things going through my head what I want to do. So have a lovely weekend. Thanks for joining me. If you're watching this Monday, Tuesday, whatever, hope you had a good weekend. But thanks for watching. Yeah, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. I've had my flatbread fix, and that is stunning. Burn, absolutely, but flavoursome. Just right. 10 chilies. Only small things, but chopped. And the Naga, the Naga flavour. I love Naga. Anyway, I won't go on. All the best. See you in the next one. Bye bye.